It's raining outside, and in this video, we are looking at the Customart FeeBuy H3 Pro. They very recently came out with a hybrid IM. They usually do not make hybrid IMs. They are much more renowned for their BA based IM, and FeeBuy in the name too has flat impedance balanced armature earphones. So balanced armature is in the name of these IEMs, but this one doesn't have a balanced armature inside it. So legacy in the making, I believe that too. They have some of the best sounding IEMs in this price range, and this one is priced at 700 euros. 700 euros, around $750, I believe. So the custom has opened this. They have had a look at it, and that's perfectly fine. I do not mind. Here is the case. Okay, so this is just a packaging. This is just for packaging. This is not a retail packaging or anything like that. If you, I believe, if you pick it from them, you will get this, the travel case, and the accessories, everything is placed inside it. I requested for a 4.4 mm cable, and thankfully I have received a 4.4 mm cable. This is a very good looking, you guys can see it's a fairly good looking cable. It is from, I believe, let me get their name. It is from, there was a brand that used to collaborate with AAW. uh, AAW, I'll get the name later. I'll put it in the description maybe. It's a fairly good looking IEM. This one is a different kind of hybrid. We get two dynamic drivers paired with a planar. I planar. I'm not sure about the size of it, but it's a planar. They might not have mentioned about the driver sizes, but the fairly interesting combination. Two dynamic drivers that handle the lows and mids, while the planar handles the highs. So this is the stock cable. This is the stock cable, and this is fairly simple kind of cable. You guys can see Ethos series cable, Null Audio, exactly. So these cables are from Null Audio. They retail for around $250 by their own. So this was a specially made cable for uh, Customart, and this is the stock cable. Let's have a look at this. I didn't got this with the FeeBuy 5, but this is mine. So this is 7th of July and everything. This is a nice touch, and we do not get a whole lot of tips with these IEMs. These custom or boutique brands do not have a lot of tips, so I'll use my own tips. No issues with that. Let's have a look at the stock cable here. I do not want to make a different kind of impression here, because this cable is not the stock cable. So this is a fairly okay kind of cable. I'm not sure how expensive it is. Maybe $50, because made by Null, and Null Audio do not make cheap cables. So even though this one looks like a run-of-the-mill kind of cable, is kind of expensive at $50. We get balanced cables at $50. So this is the cable. This is the IEM dual bore, I believe. Dual bore. The design is very similar to the FeeBuy 5. You guys can see the name and number. I am expecting the name here. So no name here, only the numbers. In any case, it's a good looking, fairly long nozzled IM, and we get a couple of filters here too. Filters, I have received a bunch of other filters here, so you guys can see. scan for instructions, so I'll do that later. Four filters here, and this is the tool to remove and install. I find this to be fairly effective, but I'm not exactly sure how efficient everyone can be with these things. In any case, I'll check them and will update you guys with a proper review soon. So this is the unboxing of VY H3 or Hybrid 3 Pro IM. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.